2004 Kia Spectra. It's whoops, sorry there. 2004 Kia Spectra. Rear bumper paint job. And this is the second coat. I'm using Duplicolor Universal Silver Metallic. So you can see from, if you remember from part one, this is what she looked like. Just giving you a quick brief overview. And that's with the first coat. Just did a quick tack on it. Now it's time for the second. I'm gonna have to do some wet sanding on this a little bit. I mean, not wet sanding. Yeah, wet sanding when it's all said and done. And buff it out. Usually I have my camera mounted in a fixed position, but I am moving all around. So fix, hold. I'm just looking it over now. I think that's all I'm going to go for the second coat. Yeah. Yeah. Sit for a second. So it's pretty cool doing my car like this, because I can see where I can definitely make improvements in my sanding. How it's a little bit uneven there, how the primer build up, going into the clear right there. So when I wet sand, hopefully that will come out, and then I'll probably have to reshoot. We'll see. Like I said, it was a hot mess before, so it's a little bit better than it was. A heck of a lot better than what it was. Alright, so here's the top. I think I'll wet sand out pretty good once I get it dry and I let it sit for a little bit. Alright. So anyway, this is for my learning progress, because I still got some work to do on the Ranger. I got a lot of work, so practice will make it perfect eventually. All right, guys, I'll see you on the third one. That's part 3 of this. When I do the third coat.